Alright, video number 4. We've got the 3 holes dug, and of course now we're paying forward. Here in Australia we have the $2 coins, so $2 gold coin, no gold in it of course, but that doesn't stop us. It's the meaning behind it, has nothing to do with the gold content. Okay, into the hole, paying forward, 3 holes. We've got the brackets. As you see, we have timber brackets. What we have is timber brackets. These brackets are amazing when you start using them. All it is a piece of 100 or 90 by 35 mil pine, 2 7-inch bolts, cup heads we use. Okay, so they hold on one end, and that'll fit anything between the 75 and 100 mil posts. And we hold posts up with those up to 8 metres out of the ground. Now, being a 5 mil post or a 6 mil post, they get awfully heavy at 8 metres long. Okay, we even had, if you have a look on some of my videos, we got a 300C channel being held up by the same brackets. And that 300C channel weighs nearly half a tonne, because it's 9 metres long. And that's in the ground, hanging off just one pine bracket. Okay, just to hold it up. What that does is hold it up a specific distance off the top. So we've got a 700 deep hole here. What we've done is gone 550, so we've allowed 150 mil of concrete underneath that post. Okay, or 6 inches. So they're 550. Could have done 600. It's 2 feet. So allow 100 mil, but I've allowed 150. It doesn't really matter. Close enough's good enough. It's in the concrete. It's going to be good, solid. And they're going in these holes in just a moment. Going to mix up some concrete. What we've got is some pre-mix. So we bought some pre-mix. There we are. Post mix at the hardware store. We're going to mix those up and put them around the concrete, around the steel post in just a moment. So that's what we're up to, and we're going to do that now. Okay. Frank, you want to set these posts up? Where is he? Oh, he's gone. Okay. We'll do that in a minute. We're just going to poke those in the hole, and then we're going to pour the concrete around them. All right. And up to about 100 mil off the top, and then we'll come back, treat them again, and then fill them up later once the bottom base concrete's gone off. Okay. We will come back to you in a little while. Thanks, guys. See you soon. Oh, don't forget that subscribe and like button would be very much appreciated. Talk soon. See ya.